As we have learnt about anatomy, now we will move on with conventional mammography equipment. Here we can see mammography equipments which were used earlier. So this is Mammorex by Picker. This is Mammomat machine by Siemens. This is Diagnostat machine by Philips. And this is MMX by GE. What is mammography? Mammography is the imaging of breast using X-rays. So here we can see the mammographic equipment comprises of X-ray tube. Then we have control panel, compression paddle and face shield. X-ray tube is sealed within the vacuum in a glass envelope, and this glass envelope it is made up of Pyrex glass. Now here we have two electrodes, one is cathode and the other one is anode. The cathode is made up of tungsten filament and anode is made up of small plate of tungsten which is embedded in the large mass of copper. So anode has an angle of 22 to 24 degree and it has two focal spot that is of size 0.4 mm and 0.1 mm. So generators used in mammography equipment and can be medium frequency generator or a high frequency generator. So here you can see a medium frequency generator. So initially the incoming power supply is standard of 60 Hz current. Then this current is rectified and smoothed. After that, the direct current is then fed into a device which is known as chopper. So it will convert the smooth DC into chopped DC with a frequency of about 6500 Hz. Now, this 6500 Hz frequency is supplied to the primary transformer, which steps up the voltage. Then, this 6500 Hz of voltage is rectified to produce 13,000 high voltages pulses per second, and then it is smoothened by the filters before being applied to the X-ray tubes. So this provides the voltage to the X-ray of nearly ripple free. Now you have your first question here, that is, what is the anode angle in the X-ray tube? Then we have compression paddle which is required in the mammographic equipment to get a good quality of images, as it will ensure that tissues near the chest wall are not underexposed and tissues near the nipple are not overexposed. So this will reduce the breast thickness and lower the radiation dose. Then we have grid which is placed between the patient and the image receptor. Here we have collimator which will restrict the shape and size of X-ray beam. Then we use screen film system of single emulsion film is used in mammography, and factors available are from 1 to 200 mA range, 40 to 150 kVp range and 1 to 200 MAS range. Now here you have your second question, that is, which type of grid is used in conventional mammography equipment?